Hi, this is a demo for milestone deployment for iTrust project, and here I'll be going to demonstrate deployment as well as rolling updates for iTrust. So to do the deployment, I have to create a build job that I'll do by running this Ansible playbook script. It will take a while, so I'll just pause the recording. As you can see, this is my Jenkins server which I have created in EC2 instance. So it's going to install Java. It's going to install Jenkins and all other steps. So here I have installed Jenkins. It shows green because it was already installed. I'll wait for when I'm installing Jenkins for the first time. I'll wait for some time so that I can, after Jenkins is properly running, I can uh, download all Jenkins packages. Sorry, Jenkins plugins. So now we can see that Jenkins job has been created. So I was calling that Jenkins job as new build job. To trigger build, I have written a pre-push git hook. So it's basically a shell script that will tell Jenkins that run the build job that's called new build job. So what I'm doing is I'll edit some file called useless.js. I'm going to commit that file. If I do the get status, everything is committed. If I have to trigger that pre-push git hook, I have to do git push origin master. So the git push is done. If I go into that build job, a new job has been created. So the build has started. So it has started building the job. It will take a while to complete. So for the moment I'll pause the recording. All the tests are run and there is no error from the test. The build is successful. Now it will run another Ansible script called provision.yaml, which will create a new EC2 instance, and it will install all the dependencies. It will install Tomcat and deploy the war file into that instance. So the new instance has been provisioned. I can see here that new instance is getting initialized here. That instance IP address is 54.201.36. This will take a while. I'll pause this recording. So now all the steps are completed. Even database is loaded. Now war package has been deployed. If I go into this IP address 8080, it will take me to Tomcat. So iTrust application is present. So we can log in successfully. Next I'll demonstrate how to do rolling updates. To demonstrate rolling updates, I've deployed iTrust into 5 EC2 instances. So these are the 5 instances which I'm running EC2. Ideally I should have put load balance and then route the traffic, but to demonstrate rolling updates, I'll be like showing it through all the 5 instances. So same way as deployment, rolling update is done by doing, I've done git commit. I've done some changes and then I've done the commit. I'll trigger that Jenkins job again. It has triggered a new build. After the build is successful, it will do the rolling deployment. This will take a while. Now it is doing the rolling deployment. It has stopped Tomcat service for the Amazon first instance. If you see that the instance is down, so now it has started the Tomcat service for the first instance. If I go again, I can see that instance is back up. Similarly, now it has stopped instance. It has stopped instance 1. You can see that in other time the other other four instances are operational. Okay, now this one is up and running. This has been decommissioned. So this is still running. This has been stopped, and now this will be stopped, and this will come. Okay, now this service is starting back up, and this will be stopped. Similarly for the last instance as well. So now the rolling update for all 5 instances is completed. So this is done by setting the serial as 1. So in Amaze I have so in Amaze I have 5 instances: Amaze 0, Amaze 1, Amaze 2, Amaze 3, and then rolling updates. If I mention serial 1, rolling updates will be done one by one. If I mention 2, it will be done 2 in a parallel. If I mention some percentage like 20%, since I have 5 instances, it will upgrade for 20% of the instances, that is one instance. And I can have many combination of this number, which you can see in Ansible documentation. So from this I have demonstrated rolling update for iTrust project. Thank you.